do it 2 times. If you're a human trapped in a cat's body, okay? 2 times.
If Michael Jackson is still alive, press down 3 times.
Kiss your cat and see how they react.
I request to smell what you have. Give me.
What?
I must smell. Oh, gross. Get it away. That shit smells awful. Icky. No.
No?
Ugly.
Compramos carros y camionetas viejas para desarmar.
Wee! Wee! Oh my god! Wee! Wee!
I don't know if anybody else's cat is like this, but you can't like have my cat scratch the scratch pad on his own. You gotta like rev him up. You gotta really just rev him up and get those ears down. And there he goes. You can pretty much just do it like whenever you want to. Just